What's up, YouTube? It's been about 5 months since I've last uploaded. I really needed to take a break from YouTube and actually get some work done on my car. So yeah, in the meantime, while I haven't been uploading or picking up the camera, I've been working on this thing non-stop, and all the floors are cut out of it, and it is on a chassis jig now, and it has also got its floor bars in, no firewall. So yeah, we've gotten started on the chassis, and I'm gonna take you around and show you what we've gotten done so far. So we've got bracing back here. I still haven't cut out this side because I needed it to keep some structure rigidity, but I'll walk up closely and show all those bars. But it's on a chassis jig. We built that, me and Mark, and none of us picked the body up and sat it on here, which I wish I'd have caught on film. But number one bar is in. The 7A and 7B bar are in. The 6A and 6B bars are in. What else? I think the inner frame rails are called 2Bs. And then the 6D bar is in. I'll walk around and show all that. So, as you can see, these bars are tacked into place. Everything is level. I'm trying to use my gimbal to show exactly what's going on here and keep it stable. Also cut out the firewall. Some people on Instagram and TikTok have already seen me do all that work because I've been uploading on there more than I have YouTube. So yeah, the motor's out, the front end is off, the whole K-member's out of the car, and yeah, I've been working on getting the chassis done, and so far I've got quite a bit of bars done. Still got so many more to do. Last night I got, let's see if I can get last night I got this plate in here for the dash bar tacked in. I'm actually going to do this side tonight and might get the dash bar in there as well, if I can get it to focus. I'm going to put the dash plate on here, and I might go on and cut out the dash bar and tack that into place as well.
Okay.
It's the worst fucking angles to be at. Seriously. See, I think there's a gap here, if I'm not mistaken.
It looks like one.
Yeah, I might have got it a little bit. guess when you're trying to figure out how to fucking record, I'm trying to figure out how to weld. That one held. Then this one no goes on. Super sketchy. You touch that rod. You're gonna learn today. Trying to find my fingers. I got it. So now, measure from here to here and cut up some tube. I guess it's 54 inches like the rest of them. If not, it's close. $54 3/8. 54 1/4. I suppose, wouldn't I? Act like I've measured that before, but I haven't. Bevel your edges. Look at that. Are you gonna test with this? Or are you going long? Oh, a millimeter. Might be a hair too long, but that's okay. If there's a mil, there's weight. Mommy! There's a will. I told you there's a way. So we can get the bar in there for sure. Where this one is. Look at that.
I'm not standing in the best position for this.
Perfect. All right. Inch and a half. Is that inch and a half? Inch and a half. Two and an eighth. Oh, that's on stamper.
It's pretty even, ain't it?
What?
Pretty even, ain't it?
I think what you're saying is you think it's pretty level, but it's not. Come on, level, stay on here. I should have just used my digital one. But I didn't flag it. Where you at?
It's not straight on there.
Holes in. Two and an eighth and 1 and a half. Right, 2 and an eighth. And 1 and a half. Awesome. Looking level, ain't it? That need to go up a little bit. Eighth, 1.5. Should be looking level.
Yep.
Pretty close. Check the measurements again. Here we go, gymnastics. 2/8. Baby's hauling. Go ahead and get this tacked in here. Terrible position to be welding. I thought looking before this side would have been perfect. Dash bars in. And she's legal. She gotta stay legal. Come on, get home. So, to explain a little bit for people that are probably gonna question, why is my dash bar mounted to 6x6 plates? I'm going to interrupt the 12 bar that goes here to here. So instead of making one bend, I don't know if she can follow, but it's going to come, instead of the number 12 bar coming all the way up and wrapping, it's going to come here, break here, and then another one will come here, bend this way, and up to the main hoop. So it's going to be interrupted. So they call for it welded to plates. So it'll still all drop down. You'll cut those tacks. There's only 2 tacks on this side, 3 on that one. I put 3 on that one so I can manipulate this side. And then, so once the cage is pretty much finished, we'll probably do the driver containment area in the back. Before we do the back half, we'll drop everything down, and then we will fully weld the top of the main hoop and the bottom of the cage, and then pull it back up, level everything again on the jig, which has 1 inch spaces off the jig, and we will then tack it back into place where it originally was. simple to do that. You cut the tacks, and then once you go to put it back up to where it was, make sure you grind down your surface, but don't take off too much material. So there's that. Kind of running out of time. It's 6 or 7 o'clock. Already dark outside. It doesn't. And raining. I need to bend this bar, match that side, and then I might put that in the next video. I really wanted to get a video out. For today because it's been so long. I finally feel like picking up the camera. We got a new gimbal. I may get a microphone and whatnot for Christmas. Hopefully, it's on my wish list. So y'all can hear me better when we're talking this far away in the shop. So yeah. So tomorrow, or my bad, Wednesday. Well, Thursday, I'll come out here, I'll bend this bar, and then we're going to sit the transmission in here, which is just a mock-up Power Glide, and then we'll figure out how far the setback is. I'm allowed to put the 6C bar 16 inches back off these, not the 6D bars, but the A and B bars. I can have it 16 inches back, but I kind of want to put it to where the transmission mount will be, and build my transmission mount off that too. If everything clears, the deep transmission pan, that one doesn't have it on there, but I know the specs on it. Then we'll go on and start doing the mid plate, and then putting the motor back in here and mocking up the motor and the trans together with the mid plate. She can take you over there to where the wall is and show the new mid plate. Sorry for all the fingerprints, I haven't cleaned it up, but this is a Tim McCanus Pro Stock mid plate for a Chevy bolt pattern. It's cut out for the starter as well. So if I ever change my mind on what motor I want to run, as long as I keep a Chevy bolt pattern, it'll work. It's pretty simple how it works. I've got tabs which were supposed to come today. I think they came in the mail today. I just haven't checked the mail. You'll recess these, since the inner bars are 1.5 inches, so you'll take 3/4 of an inch off on each corner, and then you'll weld the tabs in onto the 1.5 inch tube. Drill it through there, and it should rest in there perfectly. And you can set pinion angle or engine angle, and then you have a tube that comes down off the dash bar onto this, and then drills through that. Just kind of give everybody a rough idea how that's supposed to be. You can insert a clip and show you how that's going to be, so you'll get an idea how the new mid plate setup is going to be, instead of having a factory firewall idea. So, and then we'll have Stevie from Machine Specialties. Actually, he will do all the sheet metal and the tubs and everything in the car. I know he's at a new shop now, so we'll just get the car back to being a rolling chassis, and then take it over there, and then let him do all the sheet metal. So yeah, so that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video, but I appreciate you all, and hopefully next Friday I can have another video up.